What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today we're going to be reviewing the Plunge cold plunge tanks. Now these tanks, I'm going to share with you the features of these tanks in this video. I'm going to share with you the health benefits, and I'm going to share with you the ease of use. So I'm going to flip the camera around. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we're reviewing the Plunge cold tanks. Now, as you can see, the design, first and foremost, is very sleek. It doesn't look like a horse trough or a cow feeding thing in your backyard. I love the design. The chiller, filtration, pump, and cleaning through ozone is all in a centralized unit here. So you can see there's filters in there. Right here you control the temperature. Right now it's at 43 degrees. I believe it goes down to 37. And it goes, the water cycles through. So there's pumps in here like a hot tub or a swim spa would have, for example. So that you have on the units, and they're self-cleaning, they have lights on them, and they're very comfortable. They're like big bathtubs that you lounge in. Obviously they're comfortable in the sense of like the design, but the water is, it's quite cold. So that is the nice aspect of the Plunge tank, is that you get the, once again, beautiful design, filtration, cleaning, and ozone, which, by the way, ozone kills germs, pathogens, all types of things, plus the filter, as you can see in there, as well. So there's a constant pump and there's a feedback loop that is moving this water through. So that is really nice because you don't have to constantly clean it or worry about issues, and you're constantly getting the temperature degree of water that you desire for the desired biological outcome that you desire, and you can rest assured that that water is clean and filtered, which is really good to know. So a few benefits that you receive when you utilize cold therapy is your body, first of all, it's nature's caffeine. That's a huge benefit. Not only is it nature's caffeine, but when you dip your body into the cold water, you are literally telling your circulation to enhance. Even though there's constriction, when you get out of that cold exposure, your circulation, your pump, your heart actually essentially goes into hyperdrive. So you get enhanced circulation, you get reduced inflammation, your muscle soreness is also reduced because you are helping to speed up your recovery time by supporting your mitochondria. It boosts your mood, it elevates your feelings of well-being and happiness, it makes you feel alive and alert. I call it nature's caffeine, and it really just gives your body a jolt of energy. It's one of the best energizers you can possibly give your body. And it's really great pre-workout, but it's also good post-workout. Post-workout for recovery, but pre-workout, you wanna ensure that you warm up your body after you do a cold plunge. You don't wanna get in a cold plunge and then go right into a workout. You wanna do the cold plunge and warm your body back up by doing some maybe walking and stretching and maybe light movement, just to get your body back into motion. But there's so many benefits to the cold plunge therapy. If you research Wim Hof, he's kind of the godfather of this, and he shares the research of cold exposure and cold therapy benefits. It's also good for your immune system. It essentially turns your immune system on. It signals your immune system to go after the things in your body that shouldn't be there, and so much more. So I'll put some of those, more of those benefits below, but those are some of the main benefits. So one of the nice aspects about the Plunge tank specifically, other than the design and the filters, the lights, the constant circulation and movement of water, the filtration, the ozone, which then kills pathogens, and then the filter for sediment and material, is that you get the same consistent temperature every time. You can control it on an app on your phone, or you can just use the unit right here, which then gives you access to control the temperature in the Plunge tank. So regardless of how you utilize it, you get that ease of use to get the same exact temperature for the biological response that you desire. You get the clean water, the ozonated water, the filters, easy in, easy out, no metal splinter, or excuse me, no wood splinters from a wood thing, or sharp metal where you're gonna cut yourself. It's essentially like a bathtub. So in terms of like injury and prevention, you're safer on that front. And it's just a clean, very sleek experience. You can utilize these both inside or outside, which is really nice because it gives you the ability to place them wherever it works for you. This could work great on your back deck. It could also work great in an upper room in your house or in the garage, right next to the sauna, right? So you can get some cold exposure and some heat exposure, right? So that's the nice aspect about these, is Their design is great, the functionality is great, you have ease of use, and the self-cleaning and not having to worry as much about injuries and things like that is really essential. So I will link up the Plunge company below in the comments. If they have any discount codes or specials, I always link that up in the comments. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, including saunas, red lights, and so much more, go to healthywildfree.com/shop in the comments, and that will give you access to not only 30 different health and wellness brands that I personally vetted, but discount codes and specials to them as well. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.